Hey, Trick from Rick Kelly and Friends in the Morning on 96.3 Real Country with some exciting contest news.
What?
SK Oil and 96.3 Real Country presents Fry It Up Friday. Every Friday at 8:15, I'll have one contestant take the 1-minute Real Country quiz. Now, if you can answer 3 of the questions correctly in 1 minute, you'll win the Fry It Up Friday prize package.
Holy crap, yeah.
Which includes a bag of French fries, a supply of SK Oil, and a home fryer. Are you smarter than well, just be smart enough to win. Fry It Up Friday with SK Oil and 96.3 Real Country.